In this video, I'll show you how to apply to be a template creator in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your phone and make sure you are signed into your account. It is best to use the account where you already create and share your edits, because CapCut may review your profile, your activity, and the type of content you make. From the CapCut home screen, tap your profile icon, then look for an option related to Creator, Template Creator, CapCut Creator Program, or Template Program. In some versions, this option may appear inside the template section, your profile page, or a banner inviting users to become a creator. If you see the application option, tap it and read the requirements carefully. CapCut may ask for details like your name, region, social media account, editing experience, content category, or examples of your previous work. Next, fill out the application form with accurate information. If there is a section for your social media links, add your TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or other platforms where you post edits. Try to include accounts that show your editing style clearly. If CapCut asks for sample templates or videos, choose your best work. Pick edits that are clean, creative, easy to reuse, and suitable for other users to customize. Template creators usually make videos that other people can quickly apply to their own photos or clips. Before submitting, check all your details again, make sure your links work, your information is correct, and your examples look professional. After you submit the application, wait for CapCut to review it. If you are accepted, you may get access to creator tools, template publishing options, and performance statistics. If you do not get accepted, keep improving your edits and check again later for new application opportunities. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.